Welcome to Nature's Valley. Valley. See, that's where you eat. Right there. Exactly right there. And this is where you eat there. And there's the parking. There's the parking lots. Sorry. There's the parking lots. Hey! There's the parking lots. And that's where you eat. Casual. So here's the children's play area. Normal. You can just play around and round and hide and seek here around. And here are the houses. Let me show the outside of mine. To be like this. I'm not showing the bathroom. And let me show the big house. See, here's from outside. The big house is a luxurious one. There are 2 rooms in this thing. Fine, let me show mine. My brother is going home, exactly. He's a kiddo. See, this is where you can enjoy. And it always rains here. As it's raining now, it always rains. I'm on a mountain. See, this is inside. No bathroom. This is the small bed and this is the big bed. But brother always enjoys. Okay. Here's my brother's way. Here's my brother's gonna be like.
Hey, this is my cookie.
And if you want to see, it always rains out here. It always rains out here.
Yeah.
It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. And it's time. And also, it's starting to rain a bit. So I will go in. Bye bye. Subscribe to our channel.